Hi, I'm Bowen Zhu. As the front-end developer, my main goal was to design and build a user interface that is not only functional, but also visually engaging for our target audience of gamers. I designed the three-page mockups. Sorry, second. Here's page 3. The user game library. This page was not implemented because we focus on page 1, the search page. Users can look up game information. And here's page 2, the game detail page. It allows users to save games to library. And for the main search page, I wanted to create an immersive first impression. I achieved this by implementing a dynamic video background with a semi-transparent overlay. The page is structured with a clean and intuitive layout. At the top, the header provides clear navigation and easy access to the user profile and login pages. The search bar is front and center, making it the primary call to action for the user. Below that, I designed filter sections for popular searches, platforms, and sorting options. Well, the full functionality for these filters is a future goal. The UI is designed to be clear and scalable, showing users how they eventually be able to refine their searches. Finally, the search results are displayed in a responsive grid of game cards. Each card is designed to show the most important information at a glance. The game's cover art, title, rating, and platform, with clear button for taking action. And for the user authentication pages, like the login and the registration forms, the design philosophy was to be clean, professional, and trustworthy. We use a simple card layout that focus on the user on the task at hand, making the process of creating an account or logging in quick and straightforward. Overall, the front end has been built with HTML, CSS, and vanilla JavaScript to meet the project requirements, creating a solid and visually appealing foundation for all the backend features to connect to.
My name is Xiyuan Zhang. My focus for this milestone was on the application's database and the core user features, ensuring our system is both functional and secure. The core of any personalized app is a secure user account system. I built the registration and login features so that passwords are never stored directly. Instead, we use bcrypts to securely hash passwords before saving them in the database. When users log in, their password is checked using bcrypts without ever exposing the real password. After a successful login, the backend creates a session to keep the user logged in across the app. To make this data persistent, I designed and implemented our database schema using SQLite and the SQLite ORM. I defined the user and collected game models and established a one-to-many relationship, where one user can have many games in their collection. This normalized design is efficient and prevents data redundancy. This database enables features like user profile management, where users can view and update their info. I also added avatar upload using Motor on the backend, allowing users to select and preview their image before saving, making the experience simple and interactive. Finally, these foundations enable users to search for games and build their own collection, securely, reliably, and with room to grow as we add more features.
Hi, my name is Jie Li, and my role was the back-end developer for GameScape. I was responsible for building the server-side functionality that powers our application's core features, and including the admin tools and how we handle user data. A key part of my work was implementing secure section management. After a user logs in, my backend code using the Express session library creates and mentions their sessions. This ensures that a user stays logged in as they native the site and that all their personal actions, like adding a game to their collection or securely try to their specific account. I also handle the data synchronization between the external RAWG API and our custom database. When a user decides to save a game, the backend takes key information like the game's title, image, and rating from the API and stores it in our collected games table. This links the public API data directly to the user's priority collection, can creating the unique, personalized experience that's essential to our app. To ensure the application can be properly managed, I developed a few suite of admin features, and I created secure backend endpoints that are protected. So only users with admin privileges can access them. The admin-only rules allow for listing all registered users. We can add new users, deleting exact users, and editing specific user details. For example, on this admin dashboard, the list all users featured is calling a protected API endpoint. Get admin users. When an admin deletes a user, it calls the delete admin user's ID endpoint, which I also implemented. All these features together, from session management to admin controls, create a secure and robust backend functions for GameScape.
Hi, my name is Xinchen Luo. I'm the last one team member of Group 6. This is our project GameScape demonstration. I think my teammates already showed a lot. So I think the last part I just want to show you some like safe security. As you can see in here, this is our main page, search page in here. If there's, you can still search, like we search Mario Kart in here. You can still search, but because we didn't register any account in here, so if you want to add any collection, it will pop out a warning say that please log in to add a game to your collection. This is like achieved by this is authentic.js file. Like it read this condition like to make sure this is the user is registered. So now let's try to register an account. This account I registered is an admin account. That means there's an actual admin dashboard in here, which you can manage all accounts in here. And of course, now if we search Mario Kart, now we can just add our game to the collection, and you can see it in here. And I want to show you if we just log out and just try to log in a normal user account. Now there's not we have no right to get access to the admin page. Let's get access to that in here. Yeah, it will still block us out. Localhost access denied. You must be logging as an admin. This is because we write a code in here like it's admin.js here. So and all the users password is safely secured in the Excel in the SQLite file. You can see in the collect user tables in here. You cannot see password because it's hashed. So all the password is safely secured. Thank you. I think this is all for our project demonstration. That's all. Thank you.